Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great start to your week. I'm that Ed Tech Guy, and it's Tech Tuesday. In this episode of Tech Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to schedule your emails to be sent at a later date. When you attempt to send a message in Gmail, you've probably noticed the drop-down arrow located next to the Send button. If you click the drop-down arrow, you will have the option to schedule send. You can schedule the date and time that you would like the email to be sent. This feature is useful for when you are working on an email, but you don't want to send it until closer to the date that the information is needed by your team. By default, you will have options available to choose from, or you can pick the date and time yourself. Once you have selected the date and time that you would like your email to be sent, click Schedule Send. You can view your scheduled emails by clicking the Scheduled folder in the navigation menu on the left side of the page. If for some reason you wish to cancel sending the message, open the email and click Cancel Send. The original message will open so that you can make changes if you wish, or you can discard the message by clicking the X at the top right corner of the message window. That's it for this episode of Tech Tuesday. If you have an idea for an upcoming episode, send me an email or hit me up on Twitter at @ThatEdTechGuy. Have a great week, everyone.